Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you have installed the Pygame module using pip, still it is showing no module name Pygame. In that case, you have to click on view, then go to command palette and search for select interpreter. Then in this case you have to select the right interpreter, which is Anaconda 3 Python. If you have installed your Pygame in this interpreter, just select this interpreter and then try to run your code. Now it's running. So using the interpreter, using the specific interpreter, if you are installing your Pygame or any module, so make sure to select that right interpreter in view and in command palette in select interpreter. And here if I choose the wrong interpreter, it will show me no module named Pygame. So this thing you have to make sure that you are selecting right interpreter. If you are having different version of Python or you are having multiple interpreters, so right interpreter you have to choose where you have installed the Pygame. Thank you for watching video. Please thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to our channel.